So now for part 5, we want to take the same circuit and introduce another element called a switch. And so all we're going to do is take this switch and add it to the circuit in series with the light bulb. And we want it such that when we close the switch, the light bulb turns on, and when we open the switch, the light bulb turns off. And so right now it is open, the light bulb is off. Close the switch, the light bulb turns on. It's magic. This is amazing. And so for these given situations, we want to measure current and voltage across our circuit when the switch is on and when the switch is off. So current, again, we're going to refer to the current on the voltmeter. But voltage, since we want to measure the voltage across two different elements in one circuit, we're going to use our voltmeter. So while we're supplying 12 volts to the entire circuit, we want to know individually what is the voltage across the elements. So current is easy. With the switch on, so closed, we're going to get a current of 0.26 amps. And now we want to measure the voltage across the switch. Getting tangled up in my wires here. So across the switch, we see that there is almost no voltage drop across the switch, which is to be expected as it's just a strip of metal. It's going to have very low resistance. It's going to take very little of the voltage. And so we get 0.011 volts. And now we want to measure the voltage drop across the light bulb. And so we go to either side of the light bulb, and we see that the voltage across the bulb is 12.18 volts. And that's with the switch on. And so now we want to try this with the switch off. And so we turn it off by opening it, so no current can flow, and as we expect, we get 0.00 amps. And then we want to measure the voltage across the light bulb, which I already have set up. And as we can see, it is 0.000 volts, so not a lot going on there. And then we're going to go across the switch, and we see that all of the voltage is dropping across the switch, which is 12.25 volts. So what this means is that the volts is always there ready to do what you need, but if there's no path, then no current can flow. And so when you have switched off something, there's no current flowing through your circuit. You're not drawing any power from the outlet.